Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. This evening I finished up a set of 2021 KTM 250SXF WP AER48 Forks, or also the WP XACT AER48 Forks. These forks received the JBI Suspension WP AER48 Pro Fork kit that we sell and developed specifically for this fork. The kit is very detailed and extensive for the mods it does to the damping side. This really improves the comfort of the fork over small and medium bumps, and also adds a good amount of bottoming resistance as well. This setup is for motocross riding and A-class rider, but we also have setups available for motocross, off-road, enduro, arena cross, FMX, you name it. We probably got something already tuned and developed for it. This fork also got the JBI Chameleon Coat on the lower tubes. And we topped off the build with the SKF dual compound fork seals on these tubes. All JBI services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com, where you can find a lot more details on the JBI Chameleon Coat, on that lower fork tube leg, and also on the JBI Suspension WP AER Pro Fork kit. I'll put the link in the descriptions for these items so you can easily find them. All right, you guys, thank you for watching.